Welcome to today's lecture. Today we will be studying about the lumbar plexus. Lumbar plexus is formed by the union of ventral rami of L1, L2, L3 lumbar nerves and most of the ventral rami of L4 lumbar nerve. It is formed on the posterior abdominal wall within the substance of the psoas major muscle. The lower part of 4th and 5th ventral rami unites to form the lumbosacral trunk, which takes place for the formation of sacral plexus. The ventral rami of 4th lumbar nerve is called as nervi furcalis. Nervi furcalis because it is a link which connects the lumbar plexus with the sacral plexus. The branches of the lumbar plexus are: first is ilioinguinal nerve, second iliohypogastric nerve, third is genitofemoral nerve, fourth is lateral cutaneous nerve of thigh, fifth is femoral nerve, sixth is obturator nerve, and seventh is accessory obturator nerve which may be present. So this picture is showing the lumbar plexus. So what you are supposed to know is, for the formation of lumbar plexus, that is from L1, L2, L3, the ventral rami, and the main part of ventral rami of L4 plays an important role for the formation of lumbar plexus. Then just you can observe in this diagram other nerves what is present, that is iliohypogastric, ilioinguinal, genitofemoral nerve, lateral cutaneous nerve of thigh, then this is the femoral nerve, then here you are having the obturator nerve, then this is the accessory obturator nerve. So in this picture you can see the color which is shown in different colors. Whereas you are supposed, when you are drawing it, you are supposed to draw it only in yellow color. This is just for your understanding purpose. So here what you can see, this green color what is shown, that is the lateral cutaneous nerve of thigh as well as the femoral nerve. That is from the dorsal division. Whereas this blue color what you are having, that is the obturator nerve, accessory obturator nerve, all those are the ventral divisions. So this is just for the understanding purpose how it is shown. So now coming to the formation of the lumbar plexus. So you can see this is the subcostal nerve, that is T12. From that a twig is arising over here, and this is L1. So this ventral ramus of first lumbar nerve, after it receives a twig from the subcostal nerve, it is dividing into an upper larger branch and a lower smaller branch. You can see this L1, that is the first lumbar nerve, it is receiving a twig from the subcostal nerve which is later dividing it into an upper larger branch as well as a lower smaller branch. So this upper larger branch, it bifurcates, that is it divides into two, into the iliohypogastric nerve as well as the ilioinguinal nerve. Now the smaller lower branch what you are having here, so that is uniting with another twig which is arising from L2, that is from the second lumbar branch, and both these together they unite to form the genitofemoral nerve. Now what you can see is the second lumbar nerve, third lumbar as well as the fourth lumbar nerve, they are dividing into dorsal as well as the ventral divisions. Now the dorsal, so in this picture what you can see, so this is the dorsal division which is shaded in green color, and this blue color is showing the ventral division. So in this picture what you can see, so if you see this green colored area, that is the dorsal division, you can see this L2, it is giving a smaller dorsal division and a larger dorsal division. Whereas this L3 also it is giving a smaller dorsal division and as well as the larger dorsal division. So the smaller dorsal division which is given by L2 along with the smaller dorsal division which is given by L3, both these they unite to form the lateral cutaneous nerve of thigh. Then the remaining parts of the dorsal division which is formed by, that is the larger division which is formed from L2, L3 as well as the entire dorsal division which is formed from L4. All these together they unite to form the femoral nerve. Now coming to the ventral division which is shown in blue color. That is the ventral division of L2, L3 and L4. They unite to form the obturator nerve. In some cases we can also see the accessory obturator nerve. So if it is present, it is derived from the ventral branches of L3 as well as the L4 nerves. You can also note that the lower part of L4 as well as L5, that is the ventral rami of these two, unite to form the lumbosacral trunk which takes place in the formation of sacral plexus. And you can see this L4, that is, it is a connecting link between the lumbar as well as the sacral plexus. That's why L4, the ventral ramus, is called as the nervi furcalis. Coming to clinical importance, we are having lumbosacral plexopathy. This disorder will affect either the lumbar plexus or the sacral plexus. They are caused due to damage of the nerve bundles. Here, the patient complains of neuropathic pain, numbness, weakness and wasting of the muscles. Thank you for watching.